how to make your past posts private on Facebook. So in this video, I'll show you how to change the visibility of your past posts on Facebook. Now the first step is you need to open up the Facebook app and click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Now there's two different ways to make your past posts private. The first method is you can scroll down and underneath Audience and Visibility click on Posts. Where it says Limit who can see past posts, click on the View button. You can then press Limit Past Posts and click on this blue Limit button. Now this will change all of your past posts so that only your friends will be able to see them. If you want to make it so that nobody can see your past posts apart from yourself, I'll show you how to do this as well. So for the second method, let's come back over to the settings page. You could then scroll down once again to your activity and click on the activity log. Now click on the drop down arrow next to your Facebook activity, scroll down to posts and click on this drop down arrow. Click on your posts, photos and videos. Now what we're going to do is scroll all the way down this page and make sure that all of your past posts are fully loaded like this. So you can keep scrolling all the way down until everything is loaded. You can then scroll back up to the top and click on Select All. Click on the three horizontal dots and click on Change Audience. Click on the Change Audience button and set this to Only Me. You can then press Change and this is going to change all of your previous posts on Facebook so that only you will be able to see them.